Hi Foodie Phonics friends, welcome to our outside classroom today. Such a beautiful day where I am, getting close to spring, so as you can see I'm sort of starting to wear short sleeves and enjoying a bit of sunshine. So I thought we'd have outdoor school. We also haven't practiced our alphabet and the phonics sounds for quite a while, but don't worry, I do have a delicious recipe for you that you can make all by yourselves, boys and girls. There's no baking, there's no dicing, slicing, chopping or peeling. You can do it all by yourselves, but I'll get to the recipe in a minute. I think it's time we practiced our alphabet, don't you? And our phonics sounds. We haven't done that for a while. So, like I said, I'm outside. I'm sure my neighbors won't mind hearing me sing the alphabet song. I do hope you join me though. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Beautiful. Even the birds joined in. Could you hear them just above me there in the tree? Down the bottom you can see I've got 3 letters of the alphabet next to each other here. I wonder if you know what they are. They'll give you a clue to the recipe that we're talking about today. So let's have a look at the letters and then listen for the sounds that they make, shall we? We have letter P, letter A, and letter N. I wonder, do you know what sound letter P makes? That's right, it makes a P sound. Letter P makes a P sound. Letter A, that's it. Letter A makes an A sound. And letter N makes a N sound. Can you see how the tip of my tongue goes behind my 2 front teeth? N. P, A, N. When you put them all next to each other, they make a word. Let's listen for that word, shall we? Pan. Pan. That's right, because the recipe that we are baking today is going to be made in a patty pan. They're called oat patty pan. I even have a song for you. Would you like to sing it along with me? I hope my neighbors don't mind. Are you ready? Oat patty pan, oat patty pan, squash them if you can, squash them if you can. I'm a huge fan. Right, I bet you can't wait to hear about our recipe and the ingredients. I'll show you that just over here. Oh, there we are. They were just out of camera. There are our oats patty pan breakfast cookies. Yep, you heard right. They are breakfast cookies. You can have them every day for breakfast, if mommy and daddy say you can, of course, because they are healthy cereal squashed into a patty pan for you to enjoy, easy peasy to pick up with your fingers. And you get to choose any ingredients that you like. We'll start with oats because that's what they're called, oats patty pan. You don't have to cook the oats, just straight out the box you pour 2 cups of oats into your mixing bowl, and then you're going to add just a little sprinkle of cinnamon and a teeny tiny pinch of salt. You stir that all up together, and then you need half a cup of honey and half a cup of nut butter, any nut butter of your choice. And if you can't have nut butter, then any sesame paste of your choice or other alternative that you're allowed to have. I did also add some coconut oil because I like how the coconut oil makes them nice and hard. Then you mix that up into your oats, and after that's done you get to add some chocolate chips. But don't worry, just a small amount, a 1/4 cup. I didn't have chocolate chips, so I actually added chocolate sprinkles. Can you see? Oh, there's more birds joining us. Chocolate sprinkles. Also seeds of your choice, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, peanuts, any seeds that you like. I added sunflower seeds because I just love the beautiful vitamin D that sunflower seeds give me from the sun. Then you also add some dried berries, cranberries, blueberries, even sultanas or raisins if you like. I only have dates in the house at the moment, so I chopped up my dates and added them in. But like I said, there's no chopping, so you can add any dried fruit you wish. Then you get to add some flakes of your choice. Coconut flakes, corn flakes, even Rice Krispies, even the flakes from your Wheat Bix. Any flakes you choose. You can see over here, I added coconut flakes and corn flakes because when you chew crunchy food, boys and girls, you can hear the crunching when your teeth bite the breakfast cookies. right inside your mouth. Your ears can hear it from inside your mouth because the crunchiness makes your taste buds want to eat more food so that it's really healthy for you. So it's good to add some nice crunch because then your body thinks, oh, this is really tasty, and it makes you good and strong and healthy. So add something nice and crunchy that your teeth can crunch and your ears will hear, and pass the message on to your brain and taste buds that it's really good for you, because it is. I think that was everything. We spoke about the chocolate chips, we spoke about the flakes, we spoke about the seeds, yep. And then you put them into your patty pan, you flatten them down, pop them in the fridge, or you can eat them straight away if you like. I like to pop them in the fridge so they go nice and hard. And then you have your oats patty pan, squash them if you can, squash them if you can. I'm a huge fan. So, go and enjoy your healthy superfoods breakfast cookies. No bake, no slicing, no dicing, no chopping. Easy peasy for you to make. Before you go, I just want to show you over here where I've got the cards for the word pan. You can see that letter P is a little bit lower than letter A. That's because when you write the word for pan, you have to write the line for letter P a little bit longer. You go down and then you go up and around. And then your circle for the letter A is in line with the circle from the letter P. Circle and then only a short line up and down. And then letter N also has a short line down and then up and a curve back to the line. So there we are. We've practiced our alphabet, we've practiced our phonics, we've practiced our letter shapes and writing, and you got a delicious recipe for a healthy food for breakfast. Enjoy, boys and girls. Can't wait to see you next week. Bye for now.